My name is Michael. So today I like to demonstrate how to install the idTracker. You can download the idTracker files and software in this website idtracker.es/download. And first we need to download and install MATLAB compiler runtime 8.3 and then download the idTracker software. So I already downloaded it and let's install. First install the MATLAB compiler. Click yes. And wait to extracting. Next and set install.
Have to installation in the MATLAB. So this one also have to download.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then after finish installing the MATLAB compiler runtime, we extract the idTracker file. We'll choose extract here. And then it's ready to be used. And we select the video that we want. idTracker to tracking zebrafish movement. First we open the idTracker and we select the video that we want to track and reading video files, and this is the interface of idTracker. And this is the video, the preview of our video in current frame, which is the frame 1. In this case, I use a 1-minute video with 50 frames per second, which is total we have 3000 frames. So there are several parameters that we need to adjust, like number of individuals. Since in this video only one fish, we change the number of individuals into 1. And there, next one, the intensity threshold is the color brightness of object that we want to track. For this case, we use 0.85. It's around this area of color, which then the green color indicate the object that we track. So in this case, there are several other areas that also get detected, but since we only want to track the fish, we also can select the region of interest. First, click select region and we select rectangular, and then we select the two opposite corners of the rectangle. First, we select the top left point and then the bottom right, and then the region of interest was selected. And the minimum size is the size of the object that can be detected. Below of this size, it won't be detected by the idTracker. And before we click the start button, we must make sure we tick the remove background option to compute the background and remove the background, so it will further enhance the tracking. So we can also check the preview in several different frames. For example, in frame 230, we can check whether the fish still detected. So the green color means the object or the fish still detected. And the other frame also, for example 1200, as you can see the fish still can be detected. And just click start button and it will running the process. After the tracking finish, the trajectory will be created, and we also can double check the result of the video by clicking the see results option, and the other window will be open, and we can click run to show the video of tracking. As you can see, the identity of the fish can be tracked, and we can increase the speed also to further faster the video. And we can see the idTracker track the fish movement very good. After that, we can check the output result in the folder that containing our video, and the result will be in the text file trajectory, and the XY coordinate will be created in each frame until the last frame of the video. And this data can be used for calculating the fish locomotion, distance, speed, and other else. This is the end of my video. Thank you for listening.